Gonna light it. Whew. That scared me. Ugh. Got some hairs. So this is the other half of that silver bar that I was working on. And this has also got some, I know now it's got some copper contamination in it, so while it's in this powdery form, we're gonna wash it, and we might even hit it with some acid to remove the copper, so and any iron that might be mixed in. So went to the thrift store today. We picked up a big glass bowl for like $1. It's actually really nice bowl, but we're gonna put it in there and we'll go from there. Got some water to mix with it. So right now, just trying to mix it and get the water to touch all the silver. Maybe you guys can see better if I tip it. There you go. And this first rinse probably is going to do water, but I might do a second rinse with some acids, maybe nitric, maybe sulfuric. I don't know. That's what I have on hand, so might be what we end up using. But for now, I just want to get it nice and wet. Okay, I decided to add a little more water. I want to have more headspace. We'll probably let it settle for a while and then probably coffee filter it off to see what color the liquid is after the fact. So I let this sit for a while. You can see the lights. And there's no obvious like copper salts coming out. So I've determined that we're gonna add a little bit sulfuric acid in here and see if we can dissolve some out. Okay, here we go. Add acid to water. Well, it's definitely reacting. We'll see what color it turns later. All right, one more. All right, we have a water bath. My water's running out. This has been going for a while, and this, remember, we put some sulfuric acid in here a little bit. It's been sort of lightly boiling. It's just a hot water bath, so it doesn't get too hot. I don't want to crack my dish. Oh, we're getting steamy. Okay, let's steam fast. Anyway, I've been stirring it and stuff a little bit, and it looks really clean, and I'm not seeing a lot of color in the liquid, you know. It's pretty clear. Matter of fact, I'm starting to see like a little tiny bit of color, but it's like, for example, if there was a lot of copper in there, which is what I had contaminating before, I would expect to see blue. So I don't see any blue, and so honestly I'm thinking this is pretty clean, and we're probably just gonna melt it into a bar. Oh, we're getting the steam again. Anyway, on to the next. Well, we poured off the liquid and rinsed it, and now we're drying the powder. Well, it actually looks pretty good. I know some of the silver dissolved in the sulfuric because I mixed it with regular water, and the regular water has chlorides in it, so it made silver chloride, but anyway, it looks really good.
And I see.
So I put the sulfuric acid that was leaching the silver into the crucible to try to clean it out a little bit, and the silver precipitated around the cracks. It looks really cool. Okay, I poured most of the liquid off, and you can see the crystal patterns around the... Oop. Let's see if we can get it. Alright, well. Alright, my son's taking a little nap. We've cleaned these things out a little bit. We got this cleaned up. We got this bad boy set up. We're gonna light it. Whew. That scared me. Alright, it's going, but got some hairs. What's going on here? Alright, well, I had to turn it off and turn it back on for this valve to work. I don't know what's wrong with it. We burned my iron bars twice. we're gonna have to get a longer lighter. This isn't cutting it. Alright, I actually do have these gloves, but I should put it on, I guess. Last time I did this, when I poured it into the bar mold, the silver exploded on me. I'm gonna heat the bar mold this time, but we're also gonna put some glasses on this time. Alright, I turned it up a little bit. Everything's starting to get red hot, but the silver is not melted yet. The pressure's staying consistent at 5 bar, I guess. Alright, it's melted down. Yeah, you can see it there. There's definitely some contaminant on the top, probably copper. We know what to do with that. Alright, so we gotta do something here. Gotta grab this. It's almost time to pour the bar, but last time that thing wasn't hot enough, so we gotta heat it up. It's almost there. It looks red hot in the video, but to my eyes it doesn't as much. Alright, we're just gonna hope that's good enough. And set it there. Let's see here, we gotta turn this down. Pretty good. We lost our brick. Don't want to start a fire. Where did peas go? Have to go digging for it. Alright, cool. Oh, let's not do that. Okay. It didn't explode on us this time. Looks really good, to be honest. Let's see here. Looks pretty clean too, not that you can tell. Anyway, crucible looks nice and clean. It's like my camera picks up more thermal heat than my eyes can. That's weird. So it still looks red hot in the camera, but in the bar mold it's not. And that looks like I'm still missing a corner. I'm gonna have to go fishing in this grass. Well, it's mint, but anyway, you get the idea. There's a hot stone down in there we gotta go find. So yeah, this is my little platform. I might have to get another piece of brick or something to put down in there. Okay, well, found the other corner. I spent a few minutes searching in the bush, but it's down in there. It fell in. first. So you didn't get to see me slide it out of the bar mold, but it came out in one shot. It's still very clean looking after I cleaned it earlier. I boiled it in some water. That's right. I wetted both things before I did this melt. And they did really good. This looks really great to me. It's not quite the same fast freeze texture that the other one had, because obviously that was hot. But it was really smooth. It slid right out, nice and easy. Anyway, it's too hot to pick it up and look at it on the bottom, but we'll do that later. The other thing of note here is that I don't see any copper on there. This bar looks totally clean. We did the leaching thing. It didn't seem like it needed it. And here we are with the really clean looking bar. Alright, we got the scale on 20 ounces. There's a little bit of discoloration this side of the bar. I don't know if that's copper or what. Maybe it is. But let's see how many ounces are here. Got 29.35 ounces, Troy. So there you go. Pretty good. We'll have to see if we gotta reprocess this one or not. But it's a good start. You have to get it to this shape before you can do the next thing anyway.